Welcome back to Summarize Science. Imagine trying to protect an endangered animal, but not knowing all the places it lives because the information is hidden. A huge amount of this vital data is locked away in old scientific papers, making it practically invisible to modern conservation efforts. This is a massive problem for scientists, often called the Wallacean shortfall, a gap in our knowledge about where species are distributed. Manually reading every single publication to find mentions of a species' location is incredibly slow, expensive, and a major bottleneck for conservation. But what if we could automate this process? Researchers have developed a new R package called ARETE, which uses the power of large language models, the same kind of AI behind ChatGPT, to do this job for us. The process is remarkably clever and is outlined in this workflow diagram. You give ARETE a document, and it reads the text, identifies species names and the locations they were found, and then pulls it all out into a neat, organized table. It even has an optional feature to flag potential errors, like a location that's way outside a species' known range. To see just how powerful ARETE is, the team put it to the test with a huge challenge: spiders. They randomly selected 100 spider species and had the AI scan through hundreds of scientific papers to find any mention of where they've been found. The results, shown in these Venn diagrams, were staggering. ARETE found new location information that complemented existing databases in a huge way, effectively filling in major gaps in the data. The blue circles represent data found by ARETE, showing it found thousands of new records across dozens of countries. These maps here visualize that impact perfectly. Map A shows the known locations from a major public database before the study. Map B shows all the locations after adding the data ARETE found, and Map C highlights the brand new countries where some of these spider species were recorded. But here's the most mind-blowing statistic. For 22 species where new data was found, the known habitat area, or extent of occurrence, increased by a mean of 3 orders of magnitude. To put it simply, their known world grew, on average, by almost 2,000 times. This new data was so significant that for 9 of these species, it was enough to potentially change their official conservation threat status. So let's recap what this all means. There is a treasure trove of critical conservation data hidden in plain sight, trapped in text that computers couldn't previously understand. Tools like ARETE use modern AI to rapidly and cheaply unlock that information, giving us a much more accurate picture of where species live. This is the absolute foundation for protecting them from extinction. This technology could revolutionize conservation biology by helping scientists make better, faster decisions to protect life on Earth. It's a huge leap forward in using artificial intelligence for the good of the planet. What do you think about using AI to read old science for modern conservation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Summarize Science for more.